To survive in the age of information, you have to be versatile. Your education has to be versatile. Today's video is different from what I usually make. I'm not going to talk about any study tips, nor am I going to talk about any study schedules. I'm not going to apply any band-aids to the problems you're facing as students. Rather, today I'm going to address the actual problem in hand. I'm scared, but let's do it. Last week I talked about how to transition from the old education system to the new. What does this new education system look like? It is a shake-up from what students, parents and teachers are all used to till now. We live in an age where the value you provide as an individual matters for the economy to grow. Rather than mindless workers, the economy demands versatile, dynamic thinkers and leaders. For that, we need to learn a lot and develop ourselves in a dynamic way. 2020 was a wake-up call. Remote working was a transition everyone had to make. Those with the means to transition, whether it be financial or the mental means to do that, were able to do that, whereas the rest suffered. The most interesting part about this observation, there was no particular limit of age for this transition to happen. Yes, of course, there will be younger people who are able to make this transition easily, since we are exposed to technology. However, we cannot exclude the older people who are willing to learn to make this change happen. Moral of the story, to survive in this new age, you have to be dynamic. Your mindset has to be dynamic. To develop such a dynamic mindset, you need to be exposed to rigorous brain exercises that help you become this dynamic. And what's the best place for this to happen? Your schools, your educational institutions. Well, at this point, most of you all might have started getting tired of seeing me and other YouTubers complain about the education system. I am so sure you might have come across so many videos of people talking about the education system and how bad it is and how it needs a change. What if I tell you I'm ready to provide this change to all of you? What if I tell you that I have a plan to help all of us transition from this old system to the new entirely? Today I'm making a bold announcement. 2024 marks a year of revolution. Mark my words. How am I backing this statement up? As I mentioned last week, to transition from the old system to the new, we need to change our ideas of certain concepts. To change education as a whole, we need to change learning, more so relearn learning. So today I'm starting the first chapter of the education renaissance. We will learn to learn again. We will do it one-on-one. I'm revamping the one-on-one mentorship sessions that I'm offering. We will focus on new learning strategies that benefits each and every person who joins this program. We will be offering monthly programs with limited entries. If admitted, you will be a part of a group of like-minded learners. I will be scheduled with each and every one of you, trying to work on your personal learning strategy so that we can work together, grow together, learn together. The January intake of the one-on-one mentorship program, the monthly program, begins today. It will only be open till the 15th of December. The first 20 people to register for the January intake are eligible for a free trial. The link to it is in the description down below. Make sure you register on time so that you do not miss out on the revolution that's going to start off. See you on the other side. Thank you and happy learning.